unforgettable fun. Do you think we want to keep all this fun to ourselves? Nothing could be further from the truth. We are hiring. Are you fun-loving, outgoing, and love to sell? Here is an opportunity to shatter the proverbial glass ceiling. If you have a proven track record in sales with solid tourism hospitality sales experience, if you're accustomed to meeting quotas and want to set your own commission earnings, you may be the travel designer we are seeking. Let us get to know you. Email us your profile to sherifuntastic@gmail.com. That's sherifuntastic, sherifuntastic @gmail.com. Do it today. Have a fantastic day. Ciao for now.